A data source is a table of data that you may need to use repetitively in your workflows. A workflow can write information to data source as well as read information. You can also use an Excel file to input data into your data source. In the palette, there are two fields called Data Insertion Cell and Data Retrieval Cell. You can use a data retrieval cell to read data from your data source. You can use a data insertion cell to input data into your data source. To read the data in a data source, drag and drop the data retrieval cell onto your form. Go to the Settings window and select the data source that you want to connect. Select the primary field. Add any number of secondary fields. As shown in the video, when you select the primary value, all the other related values will be populated automatically, so the user doesn't have to fill each field one by one over and over. To write data into a data source, simply drag and drop the data insertion cell from the palette. Go to the settings and connect your data source. Add all the available columns of the selected data source as shown here. You can rename them as you prefer. After completion of creating the workflow, open up your form. Fill all the data and click the Submit button. Now go to the data source you connected, and there you will be able to see the newly inserted record. You can download the updated data source as an Excel export as well.